And how to use the Sulabh app. So this is a very quick demo that I'm going to show you. So your access to Sulabh app is this. You can go to shardatrust.org Sulabh. I'll show it to you later live, and then or you can scan the QR code which is given here. I'll share the file with you through Mallaya Garu tonight
Yes,
itself.
sir.
I'll
Yes,
share with so
I
that he
got
can
it.
share with all of you later on. Okay, and then
Okay.
as I mentioned here, I think this is not visible. I think most probably because of this. Yeah, 1 minute. This is troubling. So it's a web app, as I mentioned. You don't have to download any app on Google Play Store or Apple Store. Okay. Then the next one, you'll get this login screen when you open it on your. Actually, I wanted you to use both, but then Malaya Garu said that most of you are using your smartphone. If you had used your laptop parallelly, you could have logged in and seen how it works on the smartphone. So this is what you get, the screen, first screen, where you have to enter your mobile number, 10-digit mobile number, and the password, which is nothing but your last 4 digits of your mobile number. Very simple. You don't have to break your head on this. Very simple. And then once you log in, you will find this My Courses straight away. And then you will also see that batch here, Spoken English Basic Level course. It will come. Not Project Sulabh, your batch name is different. I think it is December 2024 that you will see. And then you have to click on the right, you can see the right arrow. No? You can click on the right arrow and start the course. Okay, so what you have in the course, see, you have the basic level course, you have classroom link. Classroom link is nothing but the old classroom videos. Most of them are related to the classes that we have taken for Shweta's batch sometime in April, May. And in fact, for them, I was the tutor. Actually, I took that responsibility as a tutor. I didn't depend on any volunteer. So you'll have those classroom links here where you can go and check each and every lesson. There's a classroom link, previous class. And then you also have lesson video. Then you also have the PowerPoint, the PDF file that you can get here. You can get both that as well. So click on the recordings link to view the previous classroom recording. It is approximately 45 minutes. Then there is a lesson material link to view the PPT content. Then there is a lesson video link to view a short video about the lesson. Then you have additional resources link. If you have anything like short English story, which we give as a homework, where students have to come up with a summary or moral of the story in few sentences. So that is also there. And then at the end, you have a quiz. After every lesson, including the introductory session, there is a quiz or an assessment exercise. So this is how the quiz looks like. Very simple. You have played, you have seen Kaun Banega Crorepati. Very simple. There are 3-4 options given. You have to choose one of them. Okay, but then the thing is, if you make a mistake, don't worry. You have multiple. Unlike KBC, where you don't have many options, they just have 3 lifelines. Right here, you have 100 lifelines. You don't have to worry as long as you complete that question or you answer that question correctly. You are allowed as many options, as many chances as possible. And what happens is, if you give a wrong answer, you should know, right, what is the wrong answer. It will come in red. If you can see the first question here, it is appearing in red because the answer is wrong. Okay. The second and third, you can see, even the third one is wrong. You can see it in red. The second one is correct. Okay. So don't worry. You have as many chances as possible to complete the assessment. Once you complete that assessment or quiz, then only you can go to the next lesson. But yeah, a lot of teachers or students are using shortcut. They are skipping all the content, lesson content, your classroom video, the additional resources. Straight away they go to the quiz, complete it, go to the next quiz. Don't do that. I think few teachers, students have done that and they are completing in 1 or 2 days. That is not the way to do it. I'm telling you in advance. Don't do that. Go to the quiz only after you complete the course. Go to the quiz, complete it, go to the next lesson, go step by step, complete the quiz like that. So once you complete all the 10 lessons plus one introductory session, you will see a download button here on the this thing. When you go to when you log in, you'll see a download button here, download certificate. So you just have to click on that right arrow, and then this is the PDF file that you will get, which you can download. So most of them are very happy. They're proud to show their certificates, especially students. Once they complete the course, and you can share with us also, so that we can keep it for our record. for Sharda Educational Trust. So any question about it? So this is what you get, shardatrust.org. Okay. Then you go to Sulabh here. Okay. Or you can straight away type shardatrust.org/Sulabh, and then you go to login. So one of you, can you give me your mobile number?
Yes, sir.
Can I, sir?
Yeah, one of you. Mr. Tirupati can give.
9640
Yeah,
217
yeah.
339
So what will be your password?
4339
7, right? You said?
7339.
Yeah. So this is what you see. Can you see this?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Okay. And then just click on the right. You can see the right arrow here. See, this is what you have now. Course, first you have to start with introduction. Then comes the first lesson. This is just an introduction, and take the quiz. Some of the answers you may struggle, but don't worry. There's nothing like marks given to it. So it's not like at the end you will get marks. Don't worry about that. So I would suggest that you make mistakes and then you rather than look for in the introductory, at least in the lesson and all, you have to try getting the right answer. But here you have to go step by step, go very slowly. Save. Once you say save, then you go to lesson 1, lesson 2. I will not do it now because you have to attempt this, right? So I will not do anything. I'll just show you. I just showed you how to access the app. It's very simple. Or the other way, other than this, is you can also scan and no, then you can use it. So what I'll do is I'll log out now from here. Log out. Yeah. Then I will with my admin ID. I will see. I told you, right? I'm not sure about the end date. Let me find out. Till how long is the school in Telangana? In Karnataka, by I think by February end, I think the schools they have exams from March, if I'm not mistaken. In Telangana,
Telangana, April 24th, sir.
so that's why I have given you more time actually.
Sir, is this time bound?
No, that's what I'll tell you. 1 minute. So this is the batch name for you, December 2024, which was created. So I'll answer your question now. So these are all the students which have been mapped, 50 students. So all teachers are also students for the app. So 12/12, that is today, to 31st March, you have got access. 31st March. So you have more than 3 months actually, 3.5 months almost to complete the course. Yeah.